Alright everybody, welcome back. Ashley here. This is day 4 of the National Geographic versus the 4M Crystal Growing Project. Sorry if there's an echo, we're in the sunroom. And let's see, so the blue one's not really moving. However, pink one seems to be pretty good now. And all the ones in these jars here, the first 4 jars, are National Geographic. Green's doing pretty good. Purple, and a little bit. And then the rubber cups, National Geographic as well. So there's the orange and the yellow. And this one here, this big one, is the 4M one. So there's only about 1 or 2 of these I'm just kind of worried about. Blue one mainly just doesn't seem to want to grow any. But purple finally caught up. And sorry if that was a dog echo, that's not mine, neighbor's dog. But as you can see, we're getting a little more growth finally on day 4. So hopefully we will see something on the last 2 by day 7. So until then, guys, I'll see you next time.